Hi, I'm Katya from Homemade Living, and today I'm making pumpkin spice pancakes. Start with a large mixing bowl for your dry ingredients. Stir it all together. Then switch to your wet ingredients. Add milk to a medium mixing bowl, or I like to use a large measuring cup so that I don't need to dirty more smaller measuring cups. And stir well, making sure you get all the lumps out. Don't forget to preheat your cooking surface to a medium-high heat at some point while making your batter. Then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and stir well until there are no more dry parts. Then stir in your eggs and your batter is ready to cook. Add 1/4 cup scoops of batter onto your preheated cooking surface, whatever that may be. A skillet, indoor or outdoor griddle, whatever you prefer. Cook the pancakes for about 2 minutes on the first side, or until some of the bubbles on top pop and stay open, or the edges look cooked. You can always take a peek at the underside to make sure they are a nice golden brown underneath before flipping. Flip and cook another 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your surface. Turn the heat down if they're browning too fast. Once cooked, you can transfer the pancakes to a sheet pan and place them in a warm oven till you're ready to serve them. Repeat the cooking steps till you've finished all the batter. This is a great recipe to make on a relaxing weekend morning, especially on a chilly fall morning. They're fluffy, easy to make, and so good. If you make a big batch, you can freeze extra and reheat them for busy mornings. Just pop them in the toaster on pastry, or nuke them in a microwave for 30 seconds, then drop them in the toaster on medium to medium-high heat, depending on your toaster. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell as well so you can get all our latest videos. Happy cooking!